I'm going to run through very quickly, starting the P0-Person project for Comp-Sci 201 in spring 2019, going from getting into Eclipse and then pushing back. The first thing I'm doing is I'm going to the URI or URL for the start of the project. You can find that at the beginning of the project description. And now I'm going to fork the project, so I'm going to fork. I'm waiting. I'm forking it into my own namespace. I'm actually impersonating the name Aaron Aardvark. It was successfully forked, so I can see that. Now I'm going to need to clone it. So I'm taking this URL, and now I'm going to go on the command line. So I'm opening up a terminal window. I need to switch back to my terminal window. Here's my terminal window. I'm in the place where I'm going to clone this project, so I'm going to say git clone and then type the name of the project. It did it. If I type ls, I can now see that this is P0-Person. So now I know I have it there. I can actually look inside there and see that there's a source folder, and even look inside that source folder and see those are the classes I need for the project. I've read the description and I know that's what I need. Now I'm going to go to my Eclipse folder. I'm going to make sure that that's in my active area, and I'm going to go and say new Java project, and I don't actually want to do new Java project. What I want to do is import. So I'm going to click the import button. Now I want general. I want existing projects into Workspace because this was an existing project. I'm going to click next, and now I have to browse to where the project is. I know where this project is. It's right there. This is in my, I need to know the path to that, so I need to remember that. More on that later. There's the P0-Person project. I'm going to open that. I'm going to make sure that that looks okay. I'm going to come down here and press finish. And now there it is, P0-Person. I'm going to come in here, come to the source. I'm going to open both the person class, that's the one I need to modify, and the driver class, and I'm going to run it. When I run it, it's looking for main, it does a lot of stuff. This is what Eclipse does. And now I can see down here, this is the output. Now I know that what the project asks me to do is make some modifications to this code. I don't want to go through what those modifications are. You can see there are a couple of to-dos. One's here, I need to make that change. One's here. I need to change this so that it returns my name rather than Ola. Now, when I run this project, it wants to it's asking me if I want to save that. I don't want that prompt every time, so I'm going to ask it to avoid doing that. And now I can see I've got some of the work done. I don't have all of the work done. There's some more to do. But I want to push this code to Git. And the way you do that is you can read the instructions in the write-up. It says git add dot. That's everything in this current directory. Oops, I'm in the wrong spot. I need to go into P0. Let's see where I am. There's P0. Now I know that if I type ls-a, I'll see some Git stuff there. That's a clue that this folder was created via Git. So git add dot. Now I need to commit my changes, and I put a message in here. First modification. You can make that anything you want. And now I'm going to push my results to Git. I just say git push. Before I do that, I'm going to come back up here, and I can see this is all initial commit. This is my project. And in this folder, in that source folder, I can see that this was the initial commit that happened 21 minutes ago. Now I'm going to push these changes. It already knows what my SSH key is. Now, when I go back to this project and reload it, you can see that person.java has been changed. So I've pushed these changes to Git, and I'm ready to make more changes, but that's what I need to do. When it's ready to grade in Gradescope, we'll post some more information about that later. But now you know enough to be able to use Git to get this started. Happy programming!